Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of fungi. And today's practical is study of external features of basidiocarp of Agaricus. Agaricus, it is a member of Basidiomycetes and it is a fungus and it produces large visible fruiting bodies which are known as basidiocarps. The fruiting body, it is visible, which produces by the dikaryotic mycelium which is present under the soil surface, and the fruiting bodies, they grow above the soil surface in the form of, generally in the form of ring, and those fruiting bodies are known as basidiocarps. Okay, let us see how to do the practical, what we have to do here. The requirement of the practical, it is a museum specimen you have to observe. The fruiting body or the basidiocarp of Agaricus is you have to observe in museum specimen bottle, or sometimes fresh fruiting body will be available in rainy season. That we have to observe in detail and you have to write all the external features. Let us see what is the procedure of practical. You have to examine the different parts of the basidiocarp given for your study. That is, you have to observe the museum specimen of basidiocarp and note. You have to note all the details of every part of the fruiting body of Agaricus or basidiocarp of Agaricus. Let us see what we have to observe, what we have to write. The genus Agaricus, it is a saprophytic fungus. That means it can grow on different types of organic matter. The soil which is rich in organic matter, that is leaves, humus rich soil is more favorable for the growth of Agaricus. And let us see which are the different parts of the basidiocarp or the fruiting body of the Agaricus. The umbrella-like structure, the fruiting body, the upper part, it looks like umbrella, or it is looks like a cap-like structure which is known as pilus. And the pilus is umbrella-like. It is thick and fleshy or massive that varies greatly in size, shape and color. The surface of the pilus may be smooth, or it may be hairy, or it may be rough. But the entire body is made up of hyphae. Okay. This umbrella shaped structure of fruiting body, umbrella shaped shape is known as pilus. Umbrella shaped fruiting body, part of fruiting body is known as pilus. Okay. Let us see gills. The gills are also known as lamellae. Let us see where the gills are situated. Gills are thin membrane-like structures which hang down from the underside of the pilus in a radiating manner from margin towards the stalk. Okay. And the gill bears spores on their surfaces and changes in color due to changing in color of spores. When the spores mature, the entire gill turns brown in color. Next. And this is the ring-like structure is present in fruiting body which is known as annulus. And in the very young stage, the margin of the pilus is connected to the stem by a thin membrane, stem or stalk-like structure. And later on, the pilus expand into a cap-like structure. During this process, the connection between cap and the stem or the stalk-like structure of the fruiting body get broken, and the remains of the broken membrane which are attached to the stem or the stalk-like structure of the fruiting body, that forms a ring which is known as annulus or annulus ring, or it is also known as veil. Okay. And the stalk of the fruiting body, it is also known as stipe. The stipe or the stalk-like structure supporting the cap or the pilus is known as stipe or stalk. Okay. The stipe is made up of compactly arranged sterile hyphae. Hence it is very fleshy and may be hollow. And the name of the fungus is Agaricus. The fruiting, these are the details of the external features of the fruiting body of the Agaricus or the basidiocarp of the Agaricus, the fruiting body of Agaricus is known as basidiocarp. Okay, all this you have to observe in given museum specimen, and you have to write the details. Okay, let us see the photograph. This photograph of Agaricus fruiting body is shown here. Pilus is shown, which is umbrella shaped, and the gills are shown, which are below the pilus. Annulus ring is shown in the photograph. Stipe, it is a stack-like structure which is made up of compactly arranged hyphae. All details of the structure are given here. And this is a fungus, and this is the member of Basidiomycetes. All the fungi which include in the Basidiomycetes, they produces basidospores. And order is Agaricales, family is Agaricaceae, and the genus is Agaricus. Okay, thank you very much.